Hi everyone, welcome to Joyful Jags. Today we are preparing mutton keema curry. Mutton keema is minced meat. This is a very popular dish. Today I'm sharing a simple keema recipe. It tastes delicious with soft texture. Heat a pan and add oil. Now add in the whole spices, 2 bay leaf, 4 cloves and 3 cinnamon, 3 slit green chili and finely chopped onions, and fry them for about 2 minutes. Now cover it and cook it for about 2 minutes. Now add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, now add in the keema, the minced meat, and mix it until well combined with the onions. Cover it with a lid and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Keema will release all the moisture and it turns a little tender. Now add in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, and salt according to your taste, half tablespoon of garam masala, and few curry leaves. Mix all the masalas well until well combined. Adding in all the masalas gives a nice texture and color to the keema curry. Now add in some roughly chopped coriander, and now we will pressure cook this for about 5 whistles or until completely cooked. Now add 1/4 cup of water. And now we are going to pressure cook this until the keema is completely cooked and turns soft and tender. Now open the lid after 5 whistles and check. Wow! Check if keema is completely cooked or not. So this is a perfect keema curry. The oil should come out of it, and do not add much water. Now check for the salt and adjust if needed. Here you can add in any garam masala or meat masala if you prefer more spicy. Now add in some fresh chopped coriander. Now the mutton keema curry is ready to serve with perfect blend of spices and flavor. You can serve this with rice or paratha. It will taste delicious. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. See you on the other side. Bye bye.